I think your tires are it's too much dirt.
They're cold. Tires are cold.
And with the traction off.
That's what you can do here.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, you can't do this on Nordschleife.
No, you
But
can't.
you can do the GP
You
track.
can do it, but once.
Oh.
This is fun. We gotta get past these guys.
Wow.
Thing is, I think here you can as well only pass on the left.
Okay, same as the Nordschleife.
It's a lot of traffic right now.
Yeah.
Maybe we can
I think
take it
this-
easy for just
I would take it easy just to. If I was to do this, I would just take it easy just to remember the track.
I think I'm gonna take it easy to let the traffic pass by.
Oh yeah, and then
have a fast lap.
Smart move.
So one pass here. But I think that won't be the best thing to do.
Because then everyone else is probably gonna.
Let's just follow him.
That's fun. He looks like he knows what he's doing. Okay. In a Track Edition RCF. Okay.
Oh, the new tarmac. It's great. All right.
Oh, I think the tires are warmer now. Felt it.
Bye.
Oh, the hairpin.
Yeah. Way better now.
Man, Julia, you're ballsy. You have a lot of guts. Traction off and everything. Man.
Left, jump to the right.
Yeah.
The apex and out here. Perfect.
And use the whole track. Okay. Wow. Excellent driving.
Oh, the new tires are great.
Yeah, I felt that one. Wow. Yeah, the AO52 feels like they're gripping now after that first lap. Yeah.
Oh, traction.
And then you got the bikers. Oh. Nice. Very nice, very nice. Got the old buggy, yeah.
He's fast.
Look at all the people watching.
Why is he so fast? It's crazy.
Actually, no, you're right. The little buggy is fast. You're not wrong about that. Oh, and that's another lap. Third lap. slide. That's cool.
Where you can steer with it.
Well, you can still, yeah.
A lot of traction on there.
You're just testing your limits.
This is the right place to do it.
Yeah. Or else you end up like me. Into the wall.
I think you were nowhere near the limits. It was maybe just the...
I don't know, maybe the tires for me failed.
And the track bumps there. It gets your rear very loose.
Wow, you lost the buggy. It's gone. That's good. Wow.
What? Look how this turns.
Yeah. Ooh. That's way too much fun. So, you know, sitting in the passenger is not bad. It's just like an RCN racing. Similar, kind of, but it looks like you remember the track now. Faith in these tires, you know that?
Okay.
Especially these ceramic brakes too.
Yeah, the brakes are wow. The brakes are wrong. I'm going to do a cool down lap now, because I've had the tire like getting really warm.
Oh yeah.
And also the tire pressure.
It's nice. It's nice to enjoy the lap, you know. Victory lap. It's a victory lap. Porsche behind you is doing the same thing. Victory lap.
You can also feel the brakes getting hot, but I mean they don't lose performance at all, no?
No.
You can't really get the rear out just with throttle. You have to be like very fast in the corner.
Yeah.
Because the differential is great. It just gets the power on the tarmac. Nice.
Ah, okay, there we go.
Feels so good. I'm gonna let the BMW pass.
Yeah.
Actually, this BMW, look at how fast he's going in the corner. This is the kind of cars I'm racing. Like
yeah, it's RCN, right?
Basically
yeah.
this.
Look
how fast he's in the corner and how stable the car is.
Yeah, there's practically no body roll now.
Yeah, it's no body roll and it's totally neutral. It's, it's like perfectly balanced.
But this car, this track edition, oh man, you're making it work. Very important to listen to these signs. You know, you're really good at catching yourself like slipping. You're very good at catching yourself slipping.
Basically, just stay on the throttle and feel the slide. I'm gonna brake early too. Set the brakes a little bit.
A lot of people watching.
I like this part. This is so cool.
This part, is that a jump? Can you jump that? It looks like you can jump that.
I think it is a little bit high to do a jump that, like if you go on there very fast, I think you take damage to the car.
Oh, yeah. Bent wheel or something. Yeah.
Just gonna let the car fly by here. response in the ISF is great, but this is anything. This is something else. This is something else. I mean, you push the throttle and you immediately get the power.
Yeah.
Like, feel that?
Yeah. I can feel it because my head is just going backwards. My camera's probably going backwards too. Wow. Oh, I just see all the flags over there. Caught yourself again.
Staying outside? Alright, let's do one more fast lap. After this one.
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
Wow. 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 You caught that slipping. Oh, that looks like it could damage a car. That yellow curve there, yeah.
Alright, one more fast lap.
I feel like you've gone to the front already. It's so important to go very slow at the hairpin. Otherwise.
Guy in the AMG.
I should have captured his face. I should have recorded his face.
His face was like, what the fuck is going on?
You know, it seems like you're going off track, but you're supposed to do that too.
Yeah.
Use the whole track.
When you watch races, everyone does that.
Yep.
In that part. As long as you stay on the track with at least 2 wheels,
Yeah.
you're good.
Yep. This is excellent. Oh, this is another hairpin. Oh, I didn't realize the shape of it until.
Even though I got the traction off, the car did got the throttle a little bit. I could go way faster on this corner. Like just lifting.
Man, you are putting this Track Edition RCF to work. You caught up to everybody.
It's, over. No, we can't finish with that.
Oh. You caught up with everybody. That's wild. You caught up to every single body.
That was so much fun.
Fast driver. You guys gotta follow him on Instagram, guys. Man. Oh, this is an interesting exit. He's like, get out.
Red flag, get out.
Get out. No more of this. Got everybody watching. Everybody's coming off. Oh, man.
I just gotta go for a cool down drive.
Oh yeah. Those the brakes, the tires.
Yeah.
Take off the dust. Man, everyone's just watching everywhere. Man, that was impressive driving.
It was
very impressive.
It was so much fun. This car is perfect. It's just perfect.
That guy's fast.
Obviously,
That's
yeah,
a fast guy right
fast.
there. He's super fast.
That's basically the car I drive in the races. So.
Yes. People everywhere. You know. Nobody knows what car this is. It's good feeling.
Yeah.
You know, or they could be looking at your car because your car is different compared to everybody else's.
Yes.
Where everybody else looks exactly the same. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Everybody's car, oh, actually, that's pretty cool. But everyone's car looks exactly the same, except for color. Well, that's it for this ride, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and sub and follow him on Instagram because he's fast. He's at the Nurburgring every single weekend, if anything. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.